Welcome to 15 days of summer sky landscapes. In the next 15 days, you are going to learn 15 different landscapes of white clouds floating across the bright blue sky. Acrylic paints are so versatile. I fell in love with this medium during the early 2013 when I was working in IT. As a beginner, I bought so many art supplies and started experimenting. There was no proper guidance or classes to teach techniques. I practiced and created some 2000 plus paintings till date and learnt a lot through trial and error. But I don't want you to go through all that pain and wanted to teach you acrylics in absolutely easy way. Acrylic paint is a perfect choice for beginners and experts alike because you can apply it in layers, which means you can make changes easily if any correction to be made. It dries fast, so you don't have to wait long between layers and you can clean it off easily with just water and soap. So, if you have been on the fence to try acrylics, I invite you to join me in this class. Learn the basics of acrylics and learn to paint 15 beautiful landscapes. Hi, my name is Debasree and I am an artist based out in India. I have been teaching art professionally since 2016 and I have taught more than 20,000 people globally. I have changed my profession from corporate to a full-time artist to pursue my interest in art and to educate others about acrylic paintings. If you want to know more about me, please visit my website debasree.com or connect with me on Instagram. Have you ever heard the voice inside your head? I could paint that and felt like there is an obstacle keeping you from even trying. Well, I am here to tell you that it happens to all of us, and that is why I created this class for 15 days with different paintings each day so that you can follow along, paint, learn and get in the practice of painting daily. Practicing more paintings is the key here. Don't just paint one or two, paint hundreds. And in this class, you will learn how to get there. At the end of the 15 days, you will be able to paint from your imagination or just by looking at your own photographs of any summer sky. In this class, I will tell you all the basic acrylic art supplies that you need to create amazing acrylic paintings. Then I will guide you through some of the basics of acrylic blending, followed by teaching you how to paint realistic clouds using an easy 6-step method. After that, I will give you an exhaustive understanding of acrylic color theory using which you can create 100 different shades of colors just by mixing a few. And then we embark on our journey of painting 15 different landscapes in the upcoming days. Nurture your talent. I know you have it if you're watching this video. And practicing art can be super fun when we do it together as a community. So I hope you are excited by now to join me inside. I can't wait to start this exciting journey together. I look forward to seeing you inside.